miracle. It can only be God. This is just a miracle. It can only be God.
Everyone, my name is Korede Shekoni. I'm so excited to be here today because it's actually a journey, a fulfilled journey. So I'm actually rounding up our 5 weeks digital bootcamp today. And I'm so happy to be part of this program. So God gave us a lot of children who came for the bootcamp, and all of them came from zero experience in computer, and now they know a lot. For example, now most of them are doing their project presentation on PowerPoint, and which they don't know about that before they came here. But glory be to God. And everything, this journey started from the house. We actually started everything from the house. That is some students then. Most of them could not stay because it was home settings. But now God has given us our own office space, and we're still looking forward to more bigger space for more students to come and learn digital skills. So if you are still there and you have children or you want to learn, DigiFlow is just the best place you can learn. For example, if you want to be a digital marketer, this is the best place for you. Any IT related course or skills you want to learn, cyber security, you can find it in DigiFlow. Graphic designers, video editors, you are welcome. If you also want to learn how to be a professional photographer, DigiFlow is the best place that you can come. So we have full packages. So we are just like coming up, and we pray, and we know that God is still taking us to places. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us in this graduation. I love you all. I love all my students. God bless you. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Farouk. I'm 8 years old. I came to the summer bootcamp. Before I came to DigiFlow, I was playing around, but my dad said come to DigiFlow to learn some things. And yeah, before I came to DigiFlow, I didn't know anything about laptop, all those things. Now, I came to DigiFlow, I learned a lot of things. I learned how to edit video on Photoshop. I learned how to design on Canva. I learned how to do Google Sheets, MS Word, Google Doc, and so on and so forth. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Julius. I'm a student at DigiFlow Digital Marketing Agency. And with one of my learning, I learned how to type well with the help of my Resident on week 2. From week 2 till now, which is week 5, it has been really great because I learned how to create videos, edit images, and so on with the help of apps like Canva, Photoshop, and other amazing apps, and that has helped me to create my own game, which is titled Enter Pro. And digital marketing agency apps that for other students. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruben. I'm a student of DigiFlow. I attended the 1 month bootcamp here, and I found it really interesting. I learned a lot of things. When I came at first, I didn't know anything about computer. When I came, I learned how to type, how to place my hands on the keyboard while typing, and I used Mavis Bacon. It helped me a lot. After that, we learned about email, how to open an email, use Canva, we use Photoshop to edit pictures, we use CapCut to edit videos. I learned a lot. We also did Google Docs, MS Word, Microsoft Excel, and Sheets. I learned a lot and I really enjoyed my stay here.
I want to share my experience at DigiFlow. I learned how to edit a video, how to create a logo, and so on. I enjoyed my summer in DigiFlow. Thank you. Bye.
My name is Ali Mohammed. I come to come and learn about my experiences about my secondary school education. I'm in science class, so I came to come and learn about. I came to practice about my school, so I learned so many things in DigiFlow, like marketing from Canva, PowerPoint. Also, Canva is good for me to design so many things like that. So fun. Everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Mubarak. I'm here to share my experience with you about DigiFlow. I learned so many things at DigiFlow. I learned so many things about computer, how to edit video, how to type on my Facebook phone, and how to do so many things. I can do logo, can create banners, templates on Canva, and I can edit video on Photoshop. I can do graphics with Photoshop. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Van. I am 10 years old and I came to DigiFlow for my summer lesson and I've learned many things. For example, I've learned how to edit photos on Photoshop. And on Canva, I learned how to do banners and different types of things for people. And on Mavis Beacon, I learned how to type well and position my fingers on the computer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Esther. I'm here to tell you about what I learned since. I learned Mavis Beacon, I learned how to type on Mavis Beacon, I learned PowerPoint, I learned notebook, I learned something like, I learned how to type very well. But everything is like, I learned bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I am Shekoni Joshua. I am the chairman of DigiFlow Academy. In the course of this boot camp, we really experienced a lot and some students like Farouk, Emmanuel, Aliu, and others. Don't let me mention their name. Though a moment to them is awesome. What I just want to use this moment to say is that for as a parent, this is an avenue to bring your children for training. Even when some of them came at the beginning, it was kind of tough training them because they have zero background about anything related to computer. But we graduating them today, we realize that they've been able to have more ideas, and from these ideas, they can do better in life. And also, we have some people who even study computer science that can tell you that what they can do on computer, they can really do, like they can design, they can edit videos, and they can type very well. Some people could not even do presentation with PowerPoint, but I can guarantee you that our students can do that. Love you all.